Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 23rd April 2024. After billionaire Mukesh Ambani-led conglomerate Reliance Industries Limited reported largely in-line earnings for the March quarter driven by an improvement in OTC throughput, brokerages have increased target prices amid positive comments from the management around capex moderation and hints of potential telecom tariff hikes. RIL shares, which have gained around 14% in the calendar year so far, were trading flat in Tuesday morning's trade, but brokerages have increased their targets going up to Rs 3,500 mark. India's Home Ministry, SBI Cards and Payment Services Limited and telecom operators have partnered to develop an innovative solution for altering about stolen one-time passwords as part of a broader effort to combat the growing threat of cyber fraud and phishing attacks on the banking ecosystem. India's business activity expanded at its fastest pace in nearly 14 years this month, thanks to robust demand, according to a survey released on Tuesday that also showed easing input inflation and positive job growth. That suggests India is well placed to remain the fastest growing major economy this year after posting strong expansion over the past few quarters. Hit by Rs 150 crore vehicle loan fraud, Mahindra & Mahindra Financial Services Limited has postponed the board meeting to review and approve the financial results for Q4 financial year 24. Its board was slated to meet on Tuesday to review financial performance. In a filing with BSE, the non-banking finance company said a fraud was detected at one of the company's branches in the Northeast. The fraud involved forgery of KYC documents related to retail vehicle loans and led to embezzlement of company funds. Markets regulator Securities and Exchange Board of India is said to have found that 12 offshore investment funds allegedly breached disclosure regulations and exceeded investment limits while investing in Adani Group companies. The SEBI probe into Adani Group and FPIs is reported to be looking into potential violations related to how foreign investors hold shares in Adani Group companies. The regulator might be suspecting some FPIs investing in Adani companies not to be genuine public shareholders, but rather acting as proxies for the Adani promoters. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.